Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we're looking at a Maytag freestanding electric oven. We're going to be showing you how to replace a couple components that are located inside the console of the unit. To do so, you must gain access to the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Tools you will need for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a tack puller. Now that you have unplugged the unit and gained access to the back, first we'll need to remove the plate here. This covers your terminal block as well as wiring. There are 2 screws that hold it in. Push down and pull out. Now that we have the bottom panel removed, there are 5 screws that hold on the top panel. Once you remove these, just be very careful. The metal is extremely sharp. Grab it and set it aside. Before you remove your last one, put pressure on the plate so it doesn't fall. Grab it from the bottom, slide out. Now with the back panel removed, I'm going to show you how to replace the right rear infinite switch. Some of the general reasons you'll be replacing the infinite switch is maybe the unit won't heat up at all. Maybe it'll stay on a very high powered, which is very common. It'll stay at the highest available heat setting and it's like it'll just glow red continuously. You could pull it out and find that there are burn marks on your infinite switch. As long as you have proper power and you have good continuity going to your elements, you'll probably have to replace this component. To do so, we'll start by removing the knob. There are 2 Phillips screws that hold in the infinite switch. Set the screws aside and pull out. You'll notice that the strip is going across the top. Just make sure you take note on how it actually gets installed. You need to remove these 2 wiring harnesses. Sometimes they can be kind of stiff. You'll have to use something to pry it. The top one came easy. The bottom one is a little stiff, so I'm going to use the tack puller. Just give it a little push. And set it aside. When installing your new infinite switch, you'll notice that there is a metal stripe that goes across the top. This is pointed upwards, so you'll have it put in just like this. First, reinstall your wiring harnesses. They can be somewhat stiff when you're plugging them in. Plug those in, guide it into the front. Look around. Now I recommend hand tightening the screws just to hold it in place so you don't drop them. Tighten them up. We will put back on our knob. Now we can reinstall the back panel. Line your top panel up again. The middle will slide in. Put 1 screw in and tighten it. Line up. Put the other screw in on the other side just to hold it up. Now replace the other perimeter screws. now we can reinstall the bottom plate. There are 2 tabs that you insert into the 2 slots of the oven and then you lift up. So align both sides in the designated slots, slide up, replace your screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.